Hi guys, Umezaneza. This is your Jen Goretti, Jen Actresses channel. Thank you for subscribing. Mwakoze mukomeze mukore subscribe, share, like and comment. So rero ngira prebe tugiye gukina imikino ya cyane twayaga dukina turi abana, nawe aratwereka yaba bajyaga bakina. Twagiye bite amakuru. The speaker now.
Nimeza.
Nimeza nyine nagira kina. Okay, twagiye nadi nuseke ndakuzura seka. Twagiye nuseke nadi. Twagiye. This is the first one. You know mukino wanje.
How many do you want to teach?
I will teach you maybe 3. You teach me like another.
I don't remember any.
You have to remember. Let's go. Let's do it. Twagiye. Mabigi mabe. You kuri punganda kira. Vuga ngo mabigi. Twagiye. Mabigi. Mabigi. Twagiye. Mabigi. Twagiye.
She's not serious.
Twagiye. Jendi rambuye.
Like this?
Yes.
Like this?
Yes. Jendi rambuye. Uri kubye. Kwirambura is like this. If you do like this, pull up kuguru kwawe. If this leg match with this one,
Okay.
I will choose. I will score you. But if this one does not match, you score me. Icumi ryanjye. Makumyabiri. Stop putting my head. No, you don't need to touch me now. You don't need to put your leg on me now. Why are you stepping on me?
Okay, we are trying that so much. Mabigi.
Here go, twagiye. Chumi.
How do I know which leg you carry? Why are you only leg you
Twagiye. Go Fere Jacques.
That's not Rwanda.
It's no. We used to use it to play.
It sounds like it's French.
It's fresh, right? Are we not around? Twagiye. Fere Jacques. Continue.
Are you fine?
Dormez-vous, sonne le matin, di tanto. Yes, that's it. Another one.
That's good.
Wait, another one. Do like this. Maya, like this. Maya, babe. Clap your hand. It's like this. That year, she never could never.
I've forgotten everything
It's
about
like Maya. No, it's like Maya.
Okay.
Maya, babe. Clap your hand now.
I'm clapping my hand now.
You just wanna I did not picture.
Yeah, let's do it. I told you I don't know. I don't remember what it's doing.
Maya, babe.
I missed it.
You come back.
Start again.
Are you asking me now?
I'm sorry. Your nails.
Maya,
This one is stuck.
Maya, babe.
Okay, like this, and then like this.
You go in there.
Okay.
Stop hitting your this. I'm not power up to me,
Oh,
child.
yeah.
Maya.
Wait.
You got to remember.
Sorry. Yeah, let's go.
This book of Maya.
Maya.
Ego, Maya, babe.
Maya, yeah.
Willy,
Is
ya
that
phone.
Kiaranda one?
Yes, book of Maya.
Maya,
babe.
yeah.
Willy, ya phone.
Yeah.
Attention.
Attention.
Qui mange pas? Qui mange?
Krimanje.
À bouche pas.
Bushpo.
Maya, ya babe. Willy, ya phone. Gafaji.
Hey. This is confusing. You lead.
Like this. Nyamachemwa wali waragiye. Wewe sasa nyamachemwa bye kula kwa ucha nani nyamachemwa. Kwa nyamachemwa. ntabwo ari guseka.
Nothing is serious.
Nyiramakemwa wari waragiye hehe? Twagiye.
Nyiramachema.
Nyiramakemwa wari waragiye hehe? Wari waragiye kugura imodoka, warayibonye se n'amakemwa? Warayibonye? Adatse guseka mani. Warayibonye se n'amakemwa?
Say it slowly now. She's saying it too fast.
Nyiramakemwa
Nyiramachema.
wari waragiye hehe? Wari waragiye kugura imodoka aha.
Waragiye
Nyiramakemwa wari waragiye hehe? Nari naragiye kugura imodoka. Warayibonye se n'amakemwa? N'amakemwa narayibonye y'icyuma kimwe. Itagira gariso na televiziyo. Itagira gariso na televiziyo.
Repeat that side again now.
Itagira gariso na televiziyo. Aye. Let's go. Aye. Nyiramakemwa nakubaza iki? Nyiramakemwa wa.
I can never link you around that this way, I swear.
Okay, you teach me any song that I used to sing.
I don't remember
any Nigerian play. So what about the Squid Game? Why you not think I used to do that all those plays?
I remember, but I don't remember the name for it or whatever.
So now which now what is it?
The games me I play, the games for boys now.
Show me the Game Boy.
PlayStation, PS2 when I was playing.
Wachinaga PlayStation na bana bakwa daddy yakwiriye mwana bakwa daddy.
What is skipping rope?
Skipping rope. Kugira umugozi.
Yeah, I thought we used to have skipping rope inside there.
Yes, now. Byonyine. Skipping rope and
then sliding down this thing you saw in Miss Rachel.
Yeah.
That thing you put and slice down.
Okay.
Not play.
Okay. Undi mukino rero twakinaga urumva twagiye. Ngiye gushoza intambara mu gihugu cya Speak up.
Speak slowly now.
Ngiye gushoza intambara mu gihugu cya
You think this is because of your language?
Ngiye gushoza intambara mu gihugu cya Togo. It's like, it's like, it's a circle. We used to do circle. Nitugaruka bakabitsa no tuzatwikira byanya byigaragara nagira ngo bumvishe ubyo kine mbimubwire tare ko basazabishobora kumaze kwimutenga.
Is a circle. Do you want to use the play also? I remember they say who is in you know who is in the garden?
Who is in the garden? Yes, now.
Who is in the garden?
Yes.
Those ones.
Twagiye. Ngiye gushoza nambara mu gihugu cya Ngiye gushoza.
Slowly.
Yego. Nago nongera kuvuga vuba. Ngiye gushoza. Nagari gushoza. Intambara. Mu gihugu cya ugata wirukanga.
You don't know that Igbo's language has too many combined words. Too many combined words you can run and say. Kayu.
Kayunguruzo ga pilipili kayunguruzo ga pa. Ndakago nonje. Kayu. Kayunguruzo ga pilipili kayunguruzo ga po.
Kayunguruzo ga pilipili kayunguruzo ga sho.
Ndago sho nize nyifu. Kayu.
Kayu.
I do it. Kayu. Kayunguruzo ga
Yarangiye.
nta kibazo yireke iminota nka 15. Kayungurizo ga piripiri karayunguruzo ga po. Yes, arakavuze nakavuze neza sibyo noneho ikindi cyari ikibariko naco navuze ikibariko that's another play. So biye nayo is like those small balls, this thing that we used to do like this. Yes, imikinnyi cyakoze amarike mabwiri guys ntago abana bigiye basigaye ntago bagikina.
Guys, this is add game. You can run add language. You can run that language. Yeah, it's difficult, guys. I'm trying.
Okay, you are trying, Sheri.
I'm trying. We put too many combined sentences.
Amagambo yacu ngurumi rwacu ngo rufite amagambo menshi gafatanye menshi maremare. None se wowe ikiwanyu what about Yoruba is it not hard?
Yoruba's words that are separate into small parts.
Yego ye ata guys abana bije nako bagikina cyane ako nyene nakashaka ko
guys like subscribe
share,
we have good content.
Tuzagaruka ejo tuzanye no twa imikinnyi hari twaguze biye nyene n'umugabo njye mweka nyine dukina nk'utwo ndabakunda cyane nadinga basa.
Hi guys, mumeze neza abafana banje
twagiye ya mikino yindi tumwereye urayizi wowe twagiye nyiramakemwa wari waragiye kugura imodoka nyiramakemwa wari waragiye ni paka gutyo twagiye nyiramakemwa wari waragiye narinara oya kugura imodoka barayiko gatwagiye Maya ya be wili ya foise attention kiri manje abushuma atamukubita because she laughed iyo sasa gukubita ugomba kutuma stop. Guys, bye. We are coming back. So, subscribe, like, share, and comment. Nadia dore nguyu mwamubonye. Mva babwira atawe. Ureke mbabwira cyo dufite. Kiriya kintu ko cyakomeje guhagarara hano hatawe niki kiba kisuri kiwe ko kiri konzo. Umuganga yakubwira ngo kiriya kiyo wajya ngo niki ajya navuze ko ari inkongoro. Inkongoro hatangiye hagaze hejuru y'inzu. Ngo bagiye gupfa umuntu we rata cyane ukubera for me you that said it all
yenzi ko kira kintu cy'imbeba n'inzoka n'abantu bapfuye bamazidi
igihe bapfuye ariko umugabo wacu yavuze ngo iwabo permi yavuze ngo iwabo ngo gihagaze cyane ngo mwanya munini ngo bagiye gupfa nandi tugende